now we will see the concatenation statement. So why the concatenation statement is required? So concatenation statement is useful to combine multiple character variables into one variable. You can assign, okay? You can assign multiple variables values into a single variable, okay? Usually in programming, you will be having such kind of requirements. So now we will see in this example how concatenation statement can be used. Okay, so I'll just go and write another program. Guys, my program name, number is 7. Okay, please see how many programs you guys are writing. It should be into 3. Okay, that means that you are learning properly, or else just simply you are just attending the training. Okay, so it has a kind of syntax issues. Okay. So I'm just defining the variables, like 6 variables I have defined here, and I have assigned the values also during declaration itself. Okay, so here you go. The first concatenation statement, what we are doing, let's see. What we are trying to do here, concatenate F1, F2, F3, F4. That means that these 4 variables, okay, I'm assigning to F6. Understood? So that I'm printing here, okay, by using write statement. Okay, so then after that, what I'm trying to do, one more concatenation statement, concatenate F1, F2, F3, F4 up to 5. This for all 5. Okay, I'm assigning all, or I'm combining and putting into F6. Okay, that I am again displaying. So now here another variation. Concatenate F1, F2, F3, F4 only into F6, and the new addition called separated by star. Okay, that means that every field will be having after that star, every field value separated by star. Okay, so that again I'm printing, and this is also same thing, but here you just go with some separated by space. Whatever you wanted to have a separation, you can have it. It doesn't mean that only star only should go. Okay, you can have it any separation, whatever the separation you want. Okay, I'm just going to the second variation and the last variation separated by space. Just see the result. See here, this is up to 4, there is no separation. This is up to 5, there is no separation. Here up to 4 separated by star. This is also 4 separated by space. Okay.